Hello, today we'll be doing Wylock 5th grade worksheet lesson 4, place value in decimals. In words, what is the value of the underlined digit? So here I put the ones place, the tenths place, the hundredths place, and the thousandths place. So then the first one, 7.88. So here is where 8 is, and that's the hundredths place. So we'll write 8 hundredths. Next, this is the thousandths place, so 4 thousandths. Next, 3 ones. And then 2 tenths. And 3 hundredths. And then 0 thousandths. Next, writing in standard form. So here's an example, 5 tenths, and that'll be 0.5. Here we have, we can draw it again, ones, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 24 hundredths. So 0.24, since that'll be the hundredths place. Next, 11, and then 7 tenths, since 7 will be over here. 11 is over in the ones place. 12 and 4 thousandths. 4 thousandths will be here. So we'll put 0 in the tenths place and the hundredths place. Compare decimals, 0.09 and 0.11. Let's look at the ones and then the tenths place. Here we have 0, and then we have 0 and 1. 1 is greater than 0. So 0.09 is less than 0.11. 0.9, 0.5. They both have 0 in the ones. In the tenths place, here we have 5, here we have 9. 9 is greater than 5. So 0.9 is greater than 0.5. Next we have 0.30 and 0.300. And so they're both equal to each other because they're both the same number and have the same value. Next, 0.421 and 0.422. So 0, both in the ones, 4, both in the tenths, 2, and then 1, and then 2. For the thousandths place, 2 is greater than 1, so 0.421 or 0.421 is less than 0.422. Next, 0.013, 0.13. Look at the tenths place. Since both of them have 0 in the ones place, 1 is greater than 0, so 0.013 is less than 0.13. 0.88, 0.87. 88 is greater than 87 if we look at the hundredths place. 0.153, 0.2. Let's look at the tenths place. Since both of them have 0 in the ones, 2 is greater than 1, so 0.153 is less than 0.2. Problem solving. Round to the nearest tenth. 0.457. So this is the tenths place. So we'll look at the hundredths place to round. If it's greater than 5, we will round up or equal to 5. So 0.457, 5 is 5, so we round up 0.5. 1 is less than 5, so it'll be 0.8. 0.672, 7 is greater than 5, so we'll round up 0.7. Next, round to the nearest hundredths. We have 3.247, so we want to round to the hundredths. This is the hundredths place. 2 is in the hundredth place. 7 is in the hundredth place. So we look at 7, 1, and 6. 7 is greater than 5, so it'll be 3.250, 5.8, and then 2, and then 1. So then we look at 1. 1 is less than 5, so it'll be 5.82. And 16.6 is greater than 5, so 18. And we look at this. There are 3 bridges, one red, one blue, one green. The bridge is 0.72 miles long, the blue bridge is 0.795 miles long, and the green bridge is 0.807 miles long. What is the red bridge's length to the nearest tenth of a mile? So 0.72, we want to round this up or down. 2 is less than 5, so it'll be 0.7 miles long. Next, round the length of the blue and green bridge to the nearest tenth of a mile. Here we have the blue and green bridge. We want to round, so this is hundredths. 5 is 5, so we'll round up 0. But since 9 becomes 10, it will become 0.8 for the blue. So blue, 0.8 miles long. And for the green is 0.807. We look the thousandths. That'll be 0.8E100. So next, which bridge is closest to the green bridge without rounding? The red bridge or the blue bridge? So this is how long the green bridge is. Which one is longer? 72 and 795. 9 is bigger than 2, or greater than 2, so it'll be the blue bridge. That is our last question. Thank you for watching.